Hi, my name is Sir Waish. Today I will show you how we can use AI in VS Code Editor to generate complex image processing programs. Firstly, we will create a code that uses camera from device, and give a video output with edge detected of the object. So let's begin. We will give the prompt, write a code in Python using OpenCV library to detect edges of an object. Use camera of device. You can copy this prompt from video description. Let the code generate. It will take some time for code generation. Now insert this code into a new file and then run the code. We can see that the code is running. A new window will open with output from camera. We can see that instead of normal camera output, the output video is dark with edges of the object detected in real time. You can notice that the face and hand of the object is clearly distinguishable in the output. This is because the object is detected based on the light that reflect back from object. If we put more light on the object, we can see that now more edges appears on the face of the object. Now let's generate a code to detect face in a video, and add a rectangle surrounding the face of the object. We will give the prompt, write a code in Python to detect faces using device camera, use OpenCV library. Let the code generate. It will take some time for code generation. Now insert this code into a new file and run the code. Wait for some time to let the code compile and run. We see that an error message is generated. This error is generated because there is no harcascade_frontface_default.xml file in my device. So we can either download this code from OpenCV website of give path to fetch the file online. We will give the path by adding cv2.data.harcascades+ to the code. After running the code again, we see no error message generated, and a new camera output window is opened. You can see that a green block SS drawn around the face of the object. If we block the camera, we see the green block disappear and comes back after we pull back our hand from camera. Thanks for watching. Give this video a like, and share with others.